Hello friends, welcome to 𝑺𝒍𝒊𝒅𝒐𝒘 video session 177. So basically in today's video, we will actually try to understand, how that reset thing works. So basically we have that option of reset whenever we go through any compatible functionalities. We will go through that part very quickly, okay? So we will go to the Analytics Studio. So instead of disrupting whatever has already been done, what I will do is I will create a new one. So for example, we have this sliding window and other things as well, which we have done. So instead of doing the reset over there, we will actually do it in a separately. Okay. So what I will do is that for reset, we will actually need two dimensions. So first I will take the stage bucket. As you know, we have the closed stages and open stages. I'm just taking for the simplicity of the explanation, nothing else. And here you will go to the add formula. So under here, let's say if we start with the sliding window, for example, you have the sum. Okay. So you have this sum and let's say let it be -1 and 0. So we will take the previous one and the present row. Okay. And the reset group which I will be taking is, let's say, stage bucket. Fine. So now with this being there, so the thing is that now what we will do is we will, let's say I just write over here something like sliding window with reset group. Okay. So let me write a sliding window. Let me click on apply. Now if you see over here, what happened is basically we have the closed stages, we have the open stages. Now within this, a demarcation has been made. So for closed stages, it's calculating. So 119 plus 398 will give you 517. Okay, that's how it's been done. So I'm taking the sum, of course, fine. And similarly, for example, this one will remain 30. It will not take the previous one for the open stage because I've reset it. Reset means basically you have to start from scratch once again, okay, based upon whichever dimension is given over there. So for example, for this 36, it's the 36 only because there's no previous row for this, because from this stage bucket, when the new value comes up, it is getting reset, okay? For negotiation and review, now again it's -10. So basically right now if you see, it's like 17 plus 16 will give you 53. Okay. Similarly, 28 plus 17 will give you 45. So that's how this is being calculated, as you can see over here. Okay. So that's about this reset for the sliding window reset group. Okay. So maybe I can just close it and very quickly save this as well. I will always go to compare table, of course, for such kind of expression. And we will save this at last. Now let's go for the next function. So again, I will go for the same trick, the stage bucket. I will go for the stage and again I will just add the formula. So we'll go for the percentage of group. Now reset group is again this one. This is the count of rows, and here I will just write percentage of group. Okay, and let's click on apply. So basically how you calculate the percentage of group, as you know, like 119 plus 398. So maybe I can very quickly show you this calculation just to verify you about this reset group as well. It's like 119 plus 398, which is equal to this one, 509. So again, it's like 119 divided by 509. Okay. So we have something like 119. Sorry, I think I made some mistake. It is like 119 plus 398, which is 517. Okay. So it's like 119. Sorry. Divided by 517. Okay. So it's like 28.02, which is being shown up over here. Okay. Similarly, if you just calculate all these things, that is 36 plus 17 plus 28 plus 11 plus 19 plus 47 plus 36. So it is like 194. So 36 divided by 194. Okay. It is like 18.56. Okay. Which you see over here as well. Okay. So again, it's the reset one only. So basically, depending on the stage that it just got reset. Again, starting from the scratch, the logic remains the same what we did for the percentage of group, as we know that it calculates the percentage each row of its group total. Fine. Again, going to the same thing, we'll check for the next compute expression under the compare table. So we'll bring the stage right now. What I will do is, maybe for rank within group, I will explain you separately as we have all the functions. Maybe we can check for others. Okay, so let's go for change from previous. As we know, It's basically calculate the difference between the current row and the previous row. Now again, I will go for unit change maybe, and the reset group I will go for stage bucket. Fine. So if you click on apply, as you can see, for the first one it's null. For the second one it's like 398 minus 119, which is 217. For the first one again it's null. So if you go for 17 minus 36, it's like minus 19. Yeah. And again 28 minus 17 is like 11. Okay, so that's how it's coming up. So again, the reset is done on the open stage, as you can see over here. Fine. So that's about this one. So very quickly we can just save each one of them. So okay, I didn't name this properly. So this is percentage of group, which is fine. Okay, and finally this is like change from previous. Fine. Now once again, let's say I open the data set, and here again, let's say we go for the stage bucket, and again the stage as well. And if we go to add formula, so basically it is like again running total, and again we're going for reset group of stage bucket, and again I will just type here running total itself. Now as you can see here, let's get loaded. As you can see here, this is the running total, like it's 119 plus 398, which is 517. Again 36 plus 17 is like 53, 53 plus 28, so 53, 43, 53. Sorry, 53 plus 28, 63, 73, 83. Yeah, this is 81, 81 plus 11, 92. Okay, so that's how it's coming up. Again, the breakup, like the reset part is done from the stage bucket, wherever the two values are, as you can clearly see over here. Okay, so that's about this running total. And yeah, finally, since time permits, maybe I can just go through all the ranks as well. So again, we are going for stage bucket. Again, we will go for the stage. Okay, and yeah, quickly shift to that formula. So here, for example, we have the rank within group. So we will take the rank, and what we will do, we will go for stage bucket. Okay. So again, I'm just taking the rank over here. Again, the count of rows, it will be in descending order, and that's the stage bucket. Okay. Yeah, that is makes sense. So I will just write over here rank. Fine. And again, if you click on apply, so as you can see, basically it's like written 1, 2, and again the similar rank which you have over here. Fine. So here, of course, we don't have similar values, I guess. Okay. So here, of course, there's no similar value. So if even if I go for other lines, it will be same itself. Okay, as we actually don't have similar values. Maybe very quickly I can just yeah, for negotiation and review, maybe very quickly I can change two values to prospecting. Maybe that part is something which we can do and check. In the meanwhile, what I will do is I will just save the others. So basically, this is like sliding window with reset group. Yeah, sliding window with reset group. Copy this part, sliding window with reset group. It will be again shared in the recipe data set. Putting it over here. Then we have something called percentage of group. With reset group, recipe data set, saving it. Then we have the change from previous. And we have the running total with reset group as well. Okay. So let's close this. And finally, what we can do is like for this one, since we have to check for others as well, other ranks as well, I need two values which has to be same so that we can properly differentiate and we can cross check this as well. So maybe the negotiation and review, I can change two of them to no, if I change two of them to prospecting, that will be maybe I can change one prospecting to negotiation and review, right? And one negotiation and review to uh, or what I can do is like the need analysis. Okay, the need analysis I can change to negotiation and review. I think that way it will be fine. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's go to the data export. So let's select ID, name, stage from opportunity. Okay, where stage equals needs analysis. Right. Where stage equal to what's the term? Stage name. I'm sorry, it has to be stage name. Where stage name equal to needs analysis. And let's say I will change two of them. Okay, so what I will do is I will open this in a new window, viewing Salesforce, and maybe this one also I will click on viewing Salesforce. Now as I told you, like here basically we need to ensure that mean analysis change to negotiation and review. So what I will do is I will change this to negotiation and review, and I will change or what I need is basically if I can find the okay, because this is connected with account as well, let's see if we can also check the opportunity name. Okay, so those opportunity name only if I change, that will be helpful. Fine. So what I can do is like here the opportunity for William has to be there, I guess. So just let me just check it out if the opportunity for William is there or not. Yeah, so opportunity for William 149 is there, and we have opportunity for Dennis 260. Let me check that part as well if it is still in this data set. Okay, opportunity for Dennis is not present. What I can do is like I can go for opportunity for Edison 1432. Okay, opportunity for Edison 1432. Maybe I can go for comfortable and copy it from there. So what I will do is put it over here. Fine, and yeah, instead of close lost, maybe I can go for why it's showing as close lost. Sorry, it's showing as close lost. I have to filter for stage also, right? Stage equal to need analysis. Okay, I will go for need analysis. Okay, maybe I can go for this one. Okay, opportunity for Parker. So opportunity for Parker, and this need analysis I will change to negotiation and review. So basically I have changed two of them. Now I have to actually run the recipe and then we can actually check that. So maybe in the next video we can do that. Today video actually I just walked you through the sliding window, the percentage of group, the change from previous as well as the running total with the reset group, how it works with the reset group. And in the next video we can check with the rank spot how it works out. So yeah, that's it about this video. And very soon let's meet in our next one. Thank you.